Wiki hii kufuatia yale mabadiliko yalifanya na Mheshimiwa Rais last week, we will start an aggressive program of addressing some of these challenges in the energy sector. Na nina hakika the price of fuel will not only come down, but even the bills we are paying for electricity, we are going to work hard to ensure that they come down also. We have been given this assignment sometime this week. We will be having a meeting with stakeholders. Hata mimi mwenyewe nitaenda huko with my colleagues in the sector to ensure that the recommendations that were made by that task force na ile kazi Mheshimiwa Rais ametuambia tufanye, tutaifanya. Tuhakikishe kwamba tumepunguza gharama ya stima. Sababu it's a serious problem in this country. There is no way we are going to go forward with the kind of electricity bills we are paying. Lakini we have identified where the challenges are. Lakini wakati huo tutakuwa na meeting ya stakeholders. I will speak very openly and candidly about what our challenges are and how we intend to resolve them so that we move forward on this matter.